In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Replit on PC 2025. If you want a quick, reliable way to run your projects outside the browser, the Replit desktop app is exactly what you need. We're going to find the official download page and grab the correct installer for your operating system. Keep your internet connection steady, and let's walk through it together. Open your web browser and go to Google. In the search box, type Replit download and hit enter. This search term reliably brings up the official page. When the results load, look for the link that mentions Replit desktop and make sure the domain is replit.com. It often appears at the top, but don't rush. Avoid ads or third-party download sites. You can also glance for the secure padlock icon in your browser's address bar and confirm the URL starts with HTTPS to ensure you're on the real site. Click the result to open the Replit desktop page. You should see a dedicated section for the desktop app, which is where Replit provides the latest safe installers. This page is the best source because it's maintained by the team behind Replit, so you'll get the current version and avoid outdated or modified files. Now choose the download that matches your system. If you're on a Mac, click Download for Mac. Your browser will begin saving the installer, typically to your Downloads folder. If a small prompt asks you to keep the file, approve it. That's normal for app installers coming from the web. If you're using a Windows PC, click Download for Windows. The download should start right away. Watch the progress in your browser's download tray, and if Windows Smart Screen or your antivirus asks for confirmation, allow it since it's from the official Replit site. If you're on Linux, click Download for Linux. On some systems, you may see different package formats offered. Choose the one that fits your distribution, then let the download complete. If your browser asks where to save the file, pick a location you can easily find later. A couple of quick tips while it downloads. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and a bit of free disk space so the file can save without interruptions. If the download doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up or download permissions, and look in your default Downloads folder. Once the download finishes, you're all set with the installer and ready for the next step of setting it up on your machine. And that's how to download the Replit desktop app for 2025 on Mac, Windows, or Linux. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Replit.